Hello guys, welcome back. Today let's check out Explorers Club Pathfinder Grant. What is this grant all about? First of all, this grant was previously known as the Exploration Fund Grant, and it is designed to support graduates and postgraduate students as well as early career scientists in pursuing transformative field research. The grant is currently ongoing and the deadline is Wednesday, October 8th, 2025, and the awards will be announced in mid to late January 2026. It is written right here. We are accepting applications for research projects that will commence in 2026. So the award range for this grant is from $2,500 to $5,000, which is designed to also help you bring your research ideas to life. I've already mentioned that the grant is for graduate and postgraduate students and early career scientists from any discipline conducting field-based research. What we found, you can use the grant of $2,500 to $5,000 for your travel, field equipment, research expenses, and other costs essential to conducting meaningful field work. Why do you think it's important for you to apply for this grant? The Pathfinder Grant is more than funding. It's an opportunity to advance scientific discovery in the field. Our goal is to support explorers in using their expertise to pursue important research, test innovative ideas, and make meaningful contributions to our understanding of the world. Now, if you're ready to submit your application for this grant, all you need to do is to come to this site. I'm going to be leaving the link to this website in the description of the video, so you can just click and to bring you right here. If you're ready to apply, you click here to apply. You can see the button here. Just click here to apply, and it's going to bring you right here. But before you proceed with your online application, it is important you go through the application guidelines, and it's also important that you know this. Once you are ready to submit your application, it's advisable to set aside 45 minutes at least to complete the online form. Your information will not be saved if you close your browser and return at a later time. So what they are saying here is that you need to start the application and complete it at a go. It is not like other applications where you can save the ones you've already filled and then return back later to continue with the process. So here are the information that you're required to provide during the course of your application. The first one is the project title, and it's important that you keep your project title concise and try to avoid too much technical language. It's important that the objective of your project be clear to reviewers from a variety of backgrounds. The next one is project categorization. We understand that your project may be multidisciplinary in nature. That is fine. When describing your category, please just choose the predominant category. You'll be given an opportunity to expound later in the application. The next one is project description. The summary of your project should briefly and clearly provide background and state your project goals, methodologies, and intended outcomes, as well as the potential impact the project may have culturally, environmentally, or both. Please avoid use of scientific jargon and abbreviations. We also have supplementary materials as the next category under the application guideline, and it says if you have images, video, maps, etc. that you would like to include, you may do so separately in the upload additional materials area. And if you have further questions, you can email grants@explorers.org for support. So during the course of the application, you might want to upload additional materials like images, videos, or map. So there's an option for you to do that in the upload additional materials during the course of your application. We also have another important thing that you need to know, which is letters of support. Please be sure to upload 2 letters expressing support for you and your project. In order to ensure your application is presented to the review committee as a complete file, we highly encourage you to submit your letters through the online system. It went further to say, however, if confidentiality is a concern, letters may be submitted directly to grants@explorer.org. The next on the list is ethical concerns. We want to ensure that all applicants have considered potential ethical concerns that could arise during or as a result of their expedition or project. The next is permits. The Explorers Club expects that all grantees will carry out their fieldwork or expedition after having secured any required permits. And then the final one is China restriction. Like I said, you'll also need to come right here and read through all this, so I don't have to mention everything. But let me just read out this final one, China restriction. Please note that the Explorers Club will not be able to consider research proposals for work being conducted in China or by Chinese citizens. The Explorers Club is considered a non-governmental organization, and we do not comply with the Chinese regulation regarding the grants awards by NGOs at this time. So I think this is basically what you need to know concerning this grant. Like I said, when you're ready to apply, you come right here. After clicking on this particular button here, click here to apply. Once you click on it, it will bring you right here. You go through this application guideline. You also have the opportunity to preview the entire form here before you even start your online application. So you can do that if you want. Just come here and click on I have read these guidelines. I have read and understand these guidelines. I now click on next step. So it will take you to the next step. Alright, let's see how the next step looks like. You can see it here. You're required to provide your name and contact information, your addresses. After providing this, you now click on next step. So but under this name and contact information, your address will be provided, your city, your state, province, your postal code, email address and primary phone number. When you're done filling, you click on next step and now continue with the rest of the application. I think that will be all for now. Please remember to share this video to your friends, like this video, and then subscribe to my channel so that the next time we upload opportunities like this, you'll be aware or you'll be the first to know. Thank you for watching, and I wish you the best of luck.